Let's go.
It's new to me.
Nah, don't worry, bro. It's uncensored. Like, that's the channel. The channel is 1919 uncensored, so
Yeah.
anything goes.
Why?
Hey.
Yo, I love it.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm enjoying day 2. Spending it like with Dr. Aircare. As you can see, we're riding in the last number, doing the most. You know what I'm saying? So join us for day 2. Today we're filming and recording. Yesterday was behind the scenes. Today now we're doing the real show. Take it as it is. Take it home. And Merry Christmas to everyone. Yeah, we're working on Christmas. Dr. Aircare, quality means no compromise. To look at Christmas Raspada, want our clients to be happy. Always under promise and over deliver. 100%. I'm outside walking, passing through for the shop on Kotlawani. We're just here to buy some food for the team. I decided to come to Tlhabane Butcher, one of the best places that has meat. Like, we've got a video segment, the time get Eric, but yeah, so it's been a pretty chill day. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. I know Bugs is also enjoying himself. Can't wait to get to side and show you guys what's happening on site. Okay. Always gotta have our 5 liter. You know what I'm saying? That's the level we at right now. At least my 2.5 something liters needs to be drank per day. You know, and yeah, just cleanse the system, detox something, mineral water, alkaline water. You understand? Magnesium is good for the body. You know, yeah.
Hey, Hey!
Come here. Young man. So what's going on?
Like it doesn't untable, you know, you don't.
No. Guys, look at the Lambo you should have Dr. AK. Because of the
When?
look at the Okay. Should I put it down here?
But you know what you call can? Or how did that for Christmas?
Shut up, take care of your 50 rand. Take like 50 rand. 50 rand. Strictly 50. On air.
Bagagate. Moto kama polisi. So we're about to enter the site. Briefs. It's at the site briefing. It's only toolbox toggle before you get on site there.
Yeah.
I got toolbox toggle now. Ay. Wa wana go tsene tsefeng ya no ba. Yo. Unwrapped.
Yeah.
Unwrapped, papa. Housekeeping. What's going on? Housekeeping. Storage section. Housekeeping. Hazard. Get hazard into it. Trip and fall. Cables. What's happening? It's like I'm doing a site inspection. Right, the site inspection. Site inspection, Papa.
Most I think for the outdoor. You have to do it that way. It's nice. All the things photo, you see.
Yeah, that's Chabin. That's diesel.
We don't pass glasses, so we're going to do the whole school. This is just the first portion.
Yeah. Kuna zaman naja yogurt.
Wala mo soka dyan yoga dito. Solution is another this one. It was possible to use the only thing is center. But I don't like the boom for the here. It's only allowed to sell more than the machine up. Cool like this in the center of the room. One thing I get a flow paper. It's a muscle. But it does not mean like what we're trying to do, go change the whole temperature, climate control of the whole room. So that's what we are trying to achieve. Go 24, we're going to get 24 kids on this side. Wow. That's what we are pushing. Yeah. But yeah. Okay, good class. What's the thing?
Inkomo zakhe.
No. Yes, you know, first, it's probably for hold. But those guys want to come also. Even this one, nice. Side of the room, one day, a pattern. The balloon. It's only the that's what we do. That's what we do in school. Because of how the core on this leg, or like a last people. Can't do it. That's why we need space, because of there's a big hole inside the outlet of the pipe. That's why we need a wall like this. So that's why we did this side, but it's nice. How to it's a 24,000 BTU, you cover 50 square meters. It's going to be nice in here. Mariha Banaj, they look going to be cold. Mariha Banaj, top lives, top. Because of climate control, we have it. Yeah. Why is it? That's what we do. Climate control. This room is locked. We couldn't access the power. So, but it's okay. We'll check it for the next time.
Okay, 1B.
Yeah. The same as that one. I'm also going to look in good housekeeping. It's going to be expect clean. Like those teachers about on Junior 1. Deadline, by the way, get here. But I want to make it 45 every fade. So, we're not going to 5 days because deadline get 10 days. That's why we are pushing so hard on Christmas.
But the guys are pushing so hard. I thought they were going to be done by tomorrow.
No. You know what they're doing? They're pushing hard today. For tomorrow they can relax. And because of the hard work, is to mount the split unit.
Yeah.
So I think it's ground floor, second floor.
Yeah.
I have to put the aircons up there. So but we probably left to the whole really lift up and that's what we left with.
Yeah.
The pushing the matter. The main thing is to get at the indoor. You know. It's a school, so you can't put the aircon sequotas. But it has to be so high and a big aircon. So so
It's going down.
I get great art classes. So I had to make a plan.
Yeah.
24,000 BTU. My grade R, no one had a grade R, I had to make a plan. I don't know anything Vaseline. This one I want to I feel like I paid the Vaseline. Hey. And grade R, it's only 12. And yeah, it's kind of alright, okay. Kind of alright. The talents on we are on point.
Cool, yeah,
it was cool because of why? Let's on the other side. But when you come and have again, it's hot, so the second climate control, now we just going to control the climate. How do you normal home temperature 24? One of the nice and cool inside. But the only time we look it's when they go outside. They don't mind. My class and so they're comfortable as they can. That's what we're trying to achieve here.
So they won't want to leave the classrooms.
That's it. And which is a good thing.
And the parents must also put the air conditioning at home now.
Very. The
mommy, we have this at school.
Because aircon is coming in necessity though.
Yeah.
It's not just the one.
Yeah.
But they can't cope with.
But heat wavy.
And for productive, we need aircons because we need to go push.
Especially in Rustenburg with the semi-arid climate, you know.
Sure. No, those planning.
And then the bricks and the cement that you are going to.
No, this is not for us. We never use this.
Oh.
We never use this.
Because I was gonna ask about housekeeping.
We're gonna clean.
Housekeeping. Let's storage, you know.
Yeah.
Kidi hazard, did you?
Yeah, very true.
Kidi hazard.
This is there are guys who are busy with construction.
Yeah.
But I think they're gonna build something that side. But we're not using this. All about development and equipment.
And the champ. Ha! Yeah.
Last number. Reception. This is our school. We still have a lot of aircons to do. But I can't experiencing this is nothing to us. We have done more bigger projects.
So today, how many have you done based on the number of the
There's 20 airports installed.
20.
Yeah. So we left with 20 other.
Another 20.
Another 20 other condensers. But this morning we are validating.
Yeah.
So brothers keepers, how's it brothers keepers? Rishabh. Yeah.
No, we're not really
You had to because of
No, what's it happening? More than you know, they should be there.
Day was reached. I'm so happy. Dr. Aircare and team Aircare, we are done for today. 20 aircons installed on the wall. Tomorrow we are targeting another 20. And yeah, we're pushing guys. Deadlines must be met, guys. Targets must be met.
Yeah.
Thank you. Allah.